Notion Project Management Honest Review. Links to products and related resources have been added in the description. After extensively testing Notion in real project management, content planning, and team collaboration workflows, it's clear this platform is not a traditional project management tool, but rather a flexible all-in-one workspace that allows users to build their own system for managing tasks, notes, databases, and knowledge in a highly customizable way. Let's start with the core features. Notion is built around blocks and databases, which means everything, from text and tasks to tables and boards, is modular and fully customizable. You can create task boards, Kanban systems, calendars, and databases that track projects in almost any structure you design. One of its strongest features is the database system, which allows you to connect tasks, projects, and information in a relational way. This means you can build linked systems like content calendars, CRM pipelines, or product roadmaps inside one workspace. It also includes templates, real-time collaboration, and integrated documentation, making it part project manager, part wiki, and part note-taking tool. Notion has also introduced AI features that help summarize notes, generate content, and assist with workflow creation, further expanding its productivity capabilities. In real-world usage, Notion performs best for teams and individuals who want full control over how their system is built. It is especially powerful for startups, creators, content teams, and small businesses that want to combine documentation and project management in one place. The flexibility allows you to design workflows exactly how you want them, from simple to-do lists to complex multi-layered systems. However, this flexibility also means there is no fixed structure. You have to build everything yourself, which can take time and planning. Another important factor is ease of use versus customization. While Notion is visually clean and intuitive at a basic level, its true power comes from building databases and connected systems, which introduces a learning curve. Users who expect a ready-made project management solution may find it confusing at first. However, once set up properly, it becomes an extremely powerful centralized workspace for managing almost any type of information or project. So who is Notion actually made for? This platform is ideal for creators, startups, freelancers, students, and teams that want a highly customizable system for managing work, notes, and projects in one place. It is especially useful for users who prefer building their own workflows instead of using rigid, predefined systems. For teams that need a plug-and-play project management tool with minimal setup, it may require too much configuration. Overall, Notion is one of the most flexible productivity and project management tools available today. It excels in customization, knowledge management, and workflow design, allowing users to build exactly the system they need. While it requires setup and learning, once structured properly, it becomes a powerful all-in-one workspace that can replace multiple tools and adapt to almost any workflow.